In this question, you're asked to integrate 3x to the power 4 minus 5x cube plus 4x square minus x plus 2 by x cube dx. So how do we integrate this? So as you can see, this is a rational function. You have some polynomial in the numerator by some polynomial in the denominator. You don't have any standard formulas to solve this. First, what we do is, to simplify this expression, I'll separate the individual terms. That is, x cube will be divided for x power 4, x cube, x square, x as well as 2. So this can be written as integration of 3 x power 4 by x cube is 3x minus 5x cube by x cube is 5 plus 4 x square by x cube is by x minus x by x cube is 1 by x square and 2 by x cube plus 2 by x cube dx. So what I have done is, the denominator term, because this is just a power of x, I can just distribute it to each and every term. So now I can do the integration directly. So this time I won't be separating also, I'll try to write it directly. So 3 times integration of x is x square by 2 minus 5 times integration of dx is x plus 4 times integration of 1 by x is ln x or log x, or more specifically log mod x, minus 1 by x square is x power minus 2. So the integration is x power minus 1 by minus 1 plus 2 times, this is x power minus 3. The integration is x power minus 2 by minus 2 plus an integration constant c. So this minus and this minus gets cancelled. This 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So the final answer is 3x square by 2 minus 5x plus 4 ln mod x plus 1 by x minus 1 by x square plus an integration constant c.